viewers, welcome to Cars and Coffee in Cooparoo. And I tell you what, this thing is bigger than a car show. And I'm here with David. G'day David, welcome to Bloke's World.
Hi, g'day Edo. How are you?
Yeah, really well mate. What can you tell me about your fantastic Triumph?
Well, I've had it for just a year and a half now. And I bought it, I retired 2 years ago. And I wanted to buy something nice to have for my retirement. I actually had a TR3 when I was 18 back in the UK.
Nice.
I bought it for virtually no money at all and sold it a year or two later, but I always had a passion for them. And then this one came up. So this one's actually it was restored back in Melbourne about 3 or 4 years ago. The owner who had it then raced it in historic car racing for 25 years.
Nice.
Quite competitively. And then when he retired from that, he took the body off, put the original engine back in, reupholstered the whole thing, completely restored it.
I'm very familiar with the TR7s. They were everywhere when I was growing up.
Yeah.
What can you tell me about this model? What's this model called?
The TR3A.
TR3A.
TR3A, 1960. So they had a TR3 originally, and then the TR3A, you can tell it from the big grille at the front.
Yep.
It's got a wider grille. The original TR3 had a square grille similar to the TR2, its predecessor. And then the 3A came in, I would say late 50s, and continued on till about maybe 61, 62.
Yep.
Then the TR4 came in, which was a big change in styling, you know.
Yep.
And a lot of people didn't like the change, so they carried on making these for another couple of years, just to kind of keep the customers happy, and then they got stopped.
And is it first time to Cars and Coffee here in Cooparoo?
No, I come fairly regular, yeah.
I had no idea how big this is, hey?
Yeah, this is really taken over from private shows now, because the Triumph, they used to run a show up at Caboolture.
Yep.
McLean's Bridge it was called.
Yep.
And it's becoming too expensive to run because you have to pay admission.
Yep.
But because all these cars and coffees are everywhere now, people just walking up. But for originality, this is absolutely original, you know. Although it's been restored, the only thing that's not original is the colour.
Yep.
It's actually a Fiat colour, that.
I was going to say, yeah, right.
Fiat red, it's a Topolino red or something it's called, something like that anyway. But it's a really nice, for me it's a really nice.
For me, it's just a bloke enjoying his retirement.
Yeah, absolutely.
Done right. You've done it right.
Yeah.
David, thank you so much for your time.
Pleasure.
You absolutely nailed that.
Okay.
Gold Logie.